Want to transform faces like a pro? Buckle up for the ultimate makeup artist starter guide. Tip number 1, practice makes perfect. Experiment on friends, family, or even yourself. The more you practice, the more your skills will shine. Tip 2, know your tools. A magician is nothing without their wand, and a makeup artist is nothing without their brushes. Invest in quality tools and learn how to use them. Tip 3, stay inspired. Follow beauty influencers, watch tutorials, and keep an eye on trends. Get inspired, but always add your unique twist. Tip 4, skin is in. Understand different skin types and how to work with them. Remember, a flawless face starts with proper skincare. And finally, tip 5, network and grow. Connect with other artists, attend workshops, and build your portfolio. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities will come your way. So, there you have it. With these tips in your makeup bag, you're ready to create some magic. Now go out there and make the world a more beautiful place.